74th day since Kenya recorded its first case of COVID-19 in March, and the graph keeps going up. From 2,711 samples tested in the last 24 hours, 72 people tested positive for the virus.
Our infections are yet to stabilize. Today, we have 72 individuals testing positive for the virus from 2,711 samples tested. Of the 72 individuals, 70 of the cases are Kenyans, whereas one is of Somali nationality and the other is Ugandan. Of the positive cases, 44 are male, whereas 28 are female. The age range is between 12 years to the youngest and 78 years for the oldest.
Health Ministry CAS Dr. Mercy Mwangangi, while announcing the daily COVID-19 tally, said Nairobi recorded the highest number of cases after 52 people tested positive, followed by Mombasa with 11, Kiambu 7, Isiolo 1, and Turkana becoming the latest county, reporting 1 case. At the same time, 9 more patients have recovered from the disease, raising the total number of recoveries to 402.
We now have a total fatality of 52. We lost 1 more patient to the disease, and we do condole with the families and friends and those who've lost their loved ones in this pandemic.
In Nairobi, areas affected include Lang'ata, Dagoretti North, Kamukunji, Kibra, Embakasi East, Kasarani, Dagoretti South, Makadara, and Mathare. The 11 cases in Mombasa are from Nyali, Mvita, Kisauni, and Changamwe. In Kiambu, the 7 cases are from Limuru, and 1 case each in Githunguri, Kabete, Ruiru, Thika, and Kikuyu. In Isiolo, the case was recorded in a mandatory quarantine facility, while in Turkana, the patient is from Kakuma refugee camp.
I'd also like to emphasize that it is important that we do pay great attention to what we eat. And in this regard, the Ministry of Health has developed several nutrition guidelines in response to COVID-19. And these guidelines are all available in the ministry's website.
So far, the country has tested a total of 61,971 samples. As cases of COVID-19 in the country continue to increase, the Minister of Health says there is no other way of containing the spread other than washing hands, use of masks, and staying at home where necessary. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News at Afya House, Nairobi.